We have created this sample project in Armonia Plus to illustrate how we can use the operator view to control our session and give the operator fast and easy access to the most commonly used controls of the amplifiers. Here in the workspace, we can see that the project contains several amplifiers and a large number of loudspeakers, all organized in groups and subgroups. If we go into Operator View, we can see a sample project for a multimedia museum which contains internal and external areas. With the controls that have been selected for this project, we can mute an entire group of loudspeakers, for example, or we can change their gain. We can also directly edit the EQ settings of a group of speakers, we can change their delay, or we can monitor their output level. Now, to show how to create an operator view from scratch, let's start by deleting the project we are currently seeing here. We will need to unlock the view by clicking on the padlock, and then we have to select all items and delete them. We can start our project by selecting a background image, for example. We just have to click on the image tool, drag it and drop it over an empty area. Then we select this component. We can define an appropriate dimension for this image. And from the Properties palette, we can click on the selection button on the image and select our image from the hard drive. The image can then also be rescaled after it has already been loaded to the project. We can then add, for example, a mute button, which can also be rescaled. And we can also add a gain button. If we click on one of these buttons, then in the Properties palette, we can select the group of loudspeakers that we want to control with this button. Let's do the same thing to the gain button here. And finally, the operator view also offers a very handy tool called Advanced Groups, which already contains all the most common amplifier controls. We can also define which of these controls will be displayed and assign a group of loudspeakers to be controlled by it. Once we're happy with our view, we can start using the controls after locking this view by clicking on the padlock. If we want to make further adjustments, simply click on the padlock again to unlock the view. If you have any questions about this or any other videos in the series, please feel free to contact us on support.audio@powersoft.com.